Hey YouTube, here's my KE250. I just replaced this gasket here. It was leaking, so I changed it. I don't think it's leaking. And then I put on turn signals on the back, and each one of these was like $3 from Lowe's for a trailer. And I just put them on a piece of sheet metal, so hopefully they'll work. I repacked the bearing in here, those two, and then sanded down this part of the shocks because they were getting stuck. Yeah, on both shocks. I rebent the shifter because I crashed and it got all bent up. Gotta put some oil in my car. Try to start this. There you go. Started a lot easier last time. But if I crash with these, they should just bend back. Yeah, so I'll have to put longer wires, obviously. Yeah. Gotta fix the wires, because after I pulled the front end off, I didn't disconnect all the wires. So I think it pulled on this main one, and then the headlight stopped working. It would work when I did this, put it all the way to the left, and then when I put it like that, it would stop working. And then I was fooling around with it, trying to get it to work, and then it just stopped working. So I think it just disconnected somewhere. That's all I have to say. Besides that, I step on buckets.